Up to a grand jury to decide if a former Mobile police officer who's accused of attacking his girlfriend will be indicted on domestic violence charges.
Our Brendan Kirby was in court today for what was supposed to be a preliminary hearing, but Brendan Matthews gave up his right to that hearing.
Yeah, that's right, Lenise and Byron. So instead of a judge making this determination after hearing testimony from a police detective, this will go straight to a grand jury for possible indictment. Jacob Matthews was a Mobile police officer when his girlfriend accused him of putting his hands around her neck and trying to force his way into her home in June of 2022. He resigned even before his arrest in March. On Tuesday, a judge was set to hear evidence at a preliminary hearing to determine if prosecutors had enough evidence for the case to go to a grand jury. Instead, defense attorney David Barnett gave up his client's right to that hearing. Defense lawyers often find preliminary hearings useful in learning more about the facts of a case before prosecutors must formally disclose evidence. But Barnett says that he had a productive conversation with the detective on the case.
He answered what I needed to know, and he answered what I would have wanted to know at a preliminary hearing. So that's why I did it.
Mobile County District Attorney Keith Blackwood declined to go into detail about the evidence, but he says children were present at the time. The criminal complaint alleges that Matthews gripped the woman's neck so tightly that she lost consciousness while she was holding her 5-year-old daughter.
Certainly, Matthews was employed as a law enforcement officer. That certainly does present some different concerns, and so we are cognizant of that. It's part of the case, just like any facts and circumstances are a part of any case.
The charge is a felony that carries a possible penalty of 2 to 20 years upon conviction. The woman made similar allegations about the June incident and another altercation in November in an application for a protective order. A hearing in that matter is scheduled for next month. Reporting live from the News Center, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.